How to delete account in a pool. Now this video or tutorial is going to be straightforward and a very easy thing to do. So what you want to do first is of course logged in or access the application and make sure that you are fully logged into a certain account in which you would like to be deleted. Now what you want to do from here, if you're currently on your home dashboard, is just to tap on the gear icon located at the lower left portion of your screen, which will take you out to your account settings. Then make sure that you're logged in or your account is connected to either one of these options, like here, like maybe Facebook, Google Play, or Miniclip ID. You just have to scroll down a bit till you find this option that says delete account. Now simply tap on delete account and it will load the request, and in here you just have to confirm that you want your account to be deleted. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can delete a Bopool account in no time.